To blend two photos together on your Samsung Galaxy S26, all you need to do is simply open up the Gallery app and then select an image that you want to blend with another one. Once you've selected the image, you're going to tap on the AI editing button, and then from here, you're going to go ahead and select Create. Under Create, you're going to tap on this photo icon here so that you can attach another image that you wish to select. Once you've selected the image, you're going to just go ahead and choose an item that you want to transfer and then tap on Done. Then from here, all you need to do is describe how you want to blend the images together. So for example, I'm going to write in, and then once you've successfully typed in what you want to, the prompt that you want to happen to that image, you're going to just tap on Generate and wait for it to finish blending both items together. Once they've been successfully blended, you should be able to see the previous version as well as the current one that you have. Then you can just tap on Save Copy and select Got It. And then from here, now, you'll have your old image, which is this, and your newly blended image. Again, it will have an AI tag right here, but you can also use your object eraser to remove that from the image. Thanks for watching. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.